Wow.
You guys are doing a wonderful job. Just like you said, from the beginning of the transaction to the end, it has always been seamless.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
This is good.
Congratulations.
Issues. So I think, and I applaud you guys to keep the good work up, keep it up, and continue the way you're moving.
Thank you so much.
We're going to have an amazing moment today because I am taking you to one of our estates situated in 9th Mile. That is few minute drive from 7 Up Bottling Company. Yeah, so we are going to Flourish City, Amekengo for allocation and site inspection. So sit back. We started the drive from 7 Up Bottling Company. Sit back, enjoy the drive. For you to see the distance from this place into this amazing and affordable estate. And trust me, you would not want to miss having a plot or two right in this estate. Just watch the video till the end for you to understand what I am saying. Yes, today's inspection is happening live in 9th Mile, Enugu, and we are in Flourish City, Amekengo. Okay, just look behind me. What you're seeing, those buildings you're seeing behind me is Ama Brewery. Yes, that is Ama Brewery, the popular Ama Brewery you used to hear. Those are the buildings you're seeing behind me. So this property is just very close to Ama Brewery and is a new one. Now this is rainy season. Look around me. As you can see, it's a dry topography and a tableland as well. So today we came for allocation. Look at the people. Look at the people behind me. We came for allocation today for those that have bought their property. And there is something amazing we are doing here. Remember, I always take you to an amazing place. Yeah? Place you will invest your money and you'll smile in the future. So today we came here for allocation. Yeah, look at those there. I'm still going to go closer for you to see what we are doing. But we came for allocation today, and there is something amazing happening in this property, and that is the promo we are running here. Yeah, and the promo is if you buy 4 plots, you get 1 free. Yes, if you buy 4 plots here, you are getting 1 for free. And the price of this property is 1.8 million naira. Flowery City Amekengo is just 2 minutes drive from a 7-Up bottling company, and you can see Ama Brewery behind me. So if you follow the other axis, you're going to Ama Brewery, but if you follow the axis that leads to 7-Up company, that is when you get here. Let me get close to the other people so that you see the allocation we are doing today. So remember that I promised to always take you to where you will invest your money and you will smile, given that your return on investment is massive. Yeah, so now that we are still running promo, for those of us that loves promo, yeah, now that we are still running promo, this is an opportunity for you to grab a free plot. And the surprising thing is that we run a flexible payment plan. Yeah, so even if you're taking the 4 plots for you to get 1 free, we run a flexible payment plan. So you mustn't pay for everything at once. No, we run a flexible payment plan of 3 months without extra charge, and then 6 months with little interest. We also extend to 12 months with some interest as well. So let me get closer to where others are for you to see the allocation we came here to do, and for you to also see those that are bought from this property. Okay, yeah, so let me explain how we run our allocation. When some number of persons are done making their payments, yeah, you're done paying for your landed property and you're done paying for your documentation, what we now do is from 10 to 20 persons, we call you, we book you for the allocation, and then we'll ensure that the beacons are already on ground. Okay, beacons are on ground. So what we do is you come with your documents and then we allocate you. Look at this one. Look at this one here. So we beacon it and then allocate you your property. So let's get closer for you to see other people over here that are getting allocation. Okay, so it is a great investment, and you know it gives joy when you are buying landed property and you are getting allocated immediately. As soon as your documentation is completed, you are done paying for your property and you are done paying for your documentation. Look at this one. Look at this one. Yeah, look at it. So we beacon it and then call you for you to come and get allocated. All right, so let's get closer for you to see those that are enjoying this return on investment. So this is somewhere you invest your money, and trust me, the return on investment is going to be so wow. Yeah, so it's situated in a commercial area, and there is a free trade zone coming to 9 Mile Enugu. So this period, look at people here. All right, people here, they are here for allocation. Look at the number of persons that have bought the land. All right, so a free trade zone, like I was saying, is coming over to 9 Mile Enugu, and this period is the best time to invest here before properties here will increase. Yeah, okay, And you know the sweetest part of this whole thing is this place is a tableland. Yes, and the measurement is 500 square meters. Amazing, right? Look at them. Getting a location. Look at them. All right, you see? Look at people getting a location. Yeah, that's from the 18th of August this year, 2023. This property is going to increase to 2.3 million naira, but for today, it's still selling for 1.8 million naira. So, I can see, look at what we do. We demarcate and then we call people that have invested to come for a location. Okay? So,
wow, you guys are doing a wonderful job. Just like you said, from the beginning of the transaction till the end, it has always been seamless.
Wow, wow, wow. This is
Congratulations.
Issues. So I think, and I applaud you guys to keep the good work up, keep it up, and continue the way you're moving.
Thank you so much.
wow, wow, wow. That was an amazing testimonial from an investor that just got allocated. All right, he bought 4 plots and he got 1 for free. Yes, that is the spirit. That is the spirit. So now that we are still running a promo, is the best time for you to come and grab your free plot right here in Flourish City, Enugu. Okay, so we allocated about 5 persons today, and we heard from one of them how happy he was, and he is still having invested here in Flourish City, Enugu. So, and he's calling on you to come and enjoy what he is enjoying. Yeah, remember, I promise to always take you to where you'll invest your money and your return on investment is going to be wow. Wow, amazing, right? So, I am still your best friend and your real estate consultant here in Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Call me, let me tell you more about landed properties in Enugu that will appreciate soon for you to earn good return on your investment. Call me now on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.